Hey, welcome back to another junior measurement video. This is our second video on liquid volume, and it happens to be our very last measurement video in all the videos I've put together for measurement. So if you've just joined us and done a couple of videos, welcome to the last. If you've been working through all the measurement videos, well done, good on you. Now, liquid volume is a measurement of how much liquid, things like water and fruit juice and milk, would fit inside a 3D shape. So how much liquid fits inside containers. It's measured in either milliliters or liters. Remember the conversion from our last video. To keep things simple, we basically say 1 centimeter cubed is 1 milliliter. Now, a centimeter cubed is a tiny little cube that's a centimeter by centimeter by centimeter, not very big at all. And if I filled that up with liquid, it would hold 1 milliliter of liquid. Also remember that 1,000 mils make up a litre. Cool, let's get into the first of two examples. A cylinder has a radius of 0.8 meters and a height of 1.5 meters. How much liquid will the cylinder hold? Well, here's our formula for the volume of a cylinder. If you've forgotten how to work out the volume of a cylinder, go back and look at your notes, or go back to the volume of a prism number 2 video to learn how to find the volume of a circle prism or a cylinder. It's pi times radius squared times height. Now, here's what I'm going to punch into my calculator. Notice I didn't use 0.8 or 1.5. For the 0.8, I've changed it to 80 centimeters. And for the 1.5, I've changed it to 150 centimeters. I must use centimeters when I do liquid volume. Right, so that gives me a volume of 3,015,928.9 centimeters cubed. I've chosen to round it to 1 decimal place. Now remember our conversion. 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1 milliliter. So therefore, if I know the volume is 3,015,928.9 centimeters cubed, I know the capacity is 3,015,928.9 milliliters. Right, so what am I going to do now? I'm going to divide that by 1,000 to get my capacity into liters. The question didn't actually ask that. I don't think it says how many liters, but I'm going to just for sensibility, and I'm going to get 3,015.9 liters. And most of us might say this container would hold approximately 3,016 liters. Right, number 2, Coca-Cola cans are made in all different sizes from around the world. This can, from somewhere around the world, has a diameter of 6.2 centimeters and the liquid is filled to a height of 12.42 centimeters. So we're going to work out how much Coca-Cola would fit inside the can. First of all, let's work out the radius. The radius is worked out by taking the diameter of 6.2 and dividing it by 2 to get a radius of 3.1 centimeters. Now let's use our volume of a cylinder, pi times radius squared times height. Let's substitute pi times 3.1, that's the radius is 3.1, and we're going to go pi times 3.1 squared times the height of 12.42, and that gives me a volume of 374.9685611 blah blah centimeters cubed. Remember our conversion? Oh no, I'm going to round that sensibly first. You could do your conversion first or round it. I'm going to round it to 375 centimeters cubed. Now the conversion says 1 centimeter cubed is 1 milliliter. So straight away I know that this can of Coke holds 375 mils of liquid. If you can see, it's a bit hard for people like me whose eyes are struggling, but if you can see down the bottom of the can, you can see 375 mils written on the can. Well, that's us. So thanks so much for tuning in over the measurement series, and best of luck for any tests and assessments you have coming up.